Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best dog crate. Here are the top 3 dog crates that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. New World Metal Dog Crate. This crate measures 42 by 28 by 30 inches and is suitable for large breed dogs that have a weight of 71 to 90 pounds. The folding metal dog crate includes a leak-proof plastic pan and a 1-year manufacturer's warranty in case of any fault or defect. It possesses 2 heavy-duty slide bolt latches that renders a secure locking feature for the canine and keeps it protected. The folding metal dog crate is portable and can be taken to different places including friends, family gatherings, vacation trips, or while traveling. It has a protective, long-lasting, eco finishing that has rounded corners for safety and is cleaned with a mild, pet-safe cleanser and water. At number 2. Midwest Homes Dog Crate. This dog crate includes free divider panel, durable dog tray, carrying handle, for roller feet to protect floors and renders a 1-year warranty. The dog crate is ideal for dog breeds with a maximum weight of 6 pounds and possess a divider panel that provides easy expansion options as the canine grows. This container measures 18 by 12 by 14 inches and renders a durable design, creating a safe resting place for the dog. Its features include safe and secure slide bolt latches, rounded corners, durable e-coat finish, and a removable plastic pan for easy cleanup. Midwest Dog Crate offers an easy assembly and portable design that can be installed within minutes and no specific tools required. At number 1. EliteField 3-Door Folding Dog Crate. This crate provides a spacious environment to the canine and makes it feel comfortable and relaxed. The crate frame is made from strong steel tube and high-quality 600D fabric and hex mesh, which is well ventilated, stylish, and lightweight. It has 3 mesh doors, front, top and side, for air and sunlight entrainment, keeping the dog warm and safe. This equipment has 2 accessory pockets on the top and side and entails a detachable cover and bed. EliteField Dog Crate provides easy storage, transport and travel features and offers a 2-year warranty with 100% money-back guarantee. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.